very very well.
I tell you.
When they supposed to do the right thing. Like person wey no dey wear seatbelt for maybe like for like 2 weeks, but the day wey road safety go come hold am, na that time passengers go come pull mouth, na no see other people, na only him dey road wey no dey wear seatbelt. But we know, see, I dey always tell people say oyinbo man make this seatbelt for your safety. You no make am say make you dey use am dey tow your motor. You no use am, you no say make you don leave am for them make you just dey look am. No, there's a reason why that seatbelt dey there. I get one motor wey I enter the other day. As the man come see our motor just want for this zone 3 here, our motor just one turn dey come off his own. As the man see na so he just dey wear, he just start dey wear. For my mind, because I don ask them, I say, oga na because of road safety you dey wear seatbelt. The other one say I dey fear road safety, I no dey fear them now. I just say make I just wear am say because una. I say talk. For my mind, I just
because
say
talk.
Because una. For na our own safety dey.
You see that issue of seatbelt. No matter where we no go fit finish for
at all,
one day.
no, e no fit.
Because even as they see am, some people they go just carry ordinary rope. They go just tie am for their motor. Say seatbelt na seatbelt. They no know say that seatbelt it get something wey be like elastic like this.
Yes.
If you don't put am, it go hold you well. Not be say somebody just go buy rope wey they take tie.
Not the rope now.
Now so some people do for the motor. Say road safety don say make you put belt.
At all, na bad.
At all,
na
they no know
bad.
say na for their own
I don't see one woman
safety.
take and tie her neck. She enter inside motor, put seatbelt, now she carry and tie her neck.
So she wan dey safe now. Na for her own safety now. At least she wear am.
Now the person, mama, don't be like that.
But at least she wear am. At least she wear am.